Hey guys, what's up YouTube? Welcome to my channel. Hope you all doing all right. So guys, today I'm having another useful and interesting product with me, and this is a Type S jump starter and power bank. So this is kind of a jump starter for the car or any SUV or whatever, but they have like listed here which is compatible, like it work with the pickup truck, small cars and motorcycle even. So this is like a jump starter power bank with the power bank. So they also provide the additional feature like a power bank. You can use it as a charging your portable device and all. So as you can see here listed, and at the same time you can also recharge your car battery if something goes bad in middle of the driving. And it also support the emergency hazard light like this, which flash. I don't know how it works, but so this is the packaging guide packages. So sorry, this is a packaging, guys. So let me open this and show you what comes inside the box. Before that, let me make a reverse and see what things listed on this. Though they are saying like spark proof clamps. I don't know what's that. Okay, they listed all the features and functionality. It comes with the 12-watt USB charger and no micro USB cable for recharging, I think, and it also comes with the cable to charge your battery. Okay, it also support the USB Type C. That's good. Type C and Type A, that's nice. So let me open the box first. So guys, I just removed the product from the packaging. So very nice. They gives the case for put and store your battery here. So this is the jump starter battery. So guys, this is the first time I bought this product. I don't even have the jump starter for my car, or so that's why I bought it, because I need one for my two car. I have a CRV and Accord, so sometime I do go longer trip. That's why I bought this, because I don't want to get in trouble in middle of nowhere. So that's why I bought this one, and I bought it from the Costco actually. Just for your information, I bought it from Costco, and this one cost me around $52, I think. I'm not 100% sure on that, but you can check out pricing online with the Costco. So, and you can also check out the store if you anybody interested in buying this. So guys, I don't know it has a battery left or not. Let's see. Yeah, oh okay, so it has a little bit of battery left. It say like 74% still, so that's good. Hazard light, pressed twice the press power button to switch mode. Okay, I just need to switch. Okay, oh okay, that's nice. So light gets started. Okay, so this is how you switch the mode, by clicking on the power button. Let me see if I can show you information on the back of the product. Jump starter and power bank. Okay, and it has a lithium ion battery, model number AC532632. Output of the 2 ampere and 2.4 ampere. Jump start current 400 ampere. Okay, I don't have any detail about that, but I just show you because if somebody wants to know about this numbers. Okay, select a language. Let me select the language. Okay, so if anybody want to change the language, they need to press 5 seconds for the power button and they can change the language and all. But for me, English is fine, so I don't need to change anything. So very pretty simple stuff. This is how it look. And let me open this case for you guys so you can get idea what comes inside. So guys, pretty simple stuff. They have this jump starter cable that you can need to attach to your car battery, and this goes back into this this jump starter. I think they have this oh yeah, here you can see you just need to attach in this. Let me open that if I can. Okay, yeah, so they have it. Okay, so guys, if you want to start a flashlight, you can do it by 3-second press. 1 2 3. Oh, okay, so flashlights get started now. You can change the mode. So this is a flashing light. You can give a signal to someone. This is a different another kind flash light, and it's just stop. So very nice. They have additional features other than just jump start your battery, so that's nice thing to have. Okay guys, so they also comes with this USB cable. I think it's for the charging this battery of this type S, and they also provide the car charger to charge, so not bad. So that's all guys. I'm not going to connect with this car. I'm not going to connect this with my car and show you because my car battery is already fine. There is no problem, so I can't show you that. But this is how it look. If somebody interested in buying that, I just wanted to share the video with you guys. So if anybody interested in buying this product from the Costco or anywhere else where it available. So hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more video and content like this. And I'm currently hoping to finish my 1000 subscribers soon. So guys, just support me. If anybody doing it, like, share and subscribe, that's appreciated. Hope you guys like the video. Bye, take care.